All right guys, let me tell you how to go from 200 pounds to 150 pounds in the next 3 months using 3 different meals. That's right, you can lose 50 of these right here. I'm gonna teach you how to do intermittent fasting so you can allow your body to burn fat every single day. Instead of consuming food through certain hours of the day, we're gonna allow our body to burn fat for energy. Best part about this is you don't need to exercise, you don't need to buy any supplements or pills, do any shakes, or inject yourself with anything. It's probably the easiest method you'll ever do for weight loss. So let me tell you what those 3 meals are. First meal is a big hearty meal. Protein, vegetables, and carbs for that meal. No processed carbs, but I do want you to have carbs. Second meal is a snack. Fruit is my go-to, but you can do things like a yogurt, hummus, a cup of nuts, something like that. The last meal is protein and vegetables. These 3 meals are within an 8-hour window. For your first meal, water, black coffee, or plain tea. Anything else will break your fast and you'll no longer be burning fat. I don't care how long you've been overweight. If you want to go from 200 pounds to 150 pounds in the next